In this video, I'll be telling you how you can start affiliate marketing business and what is affiliate marketing. Okay. So what's up everyone? My name is Mihaan. I'm an international student living in Canada and I hate doing 9 to 5 job and literally searching for to make money online. And finally, I found affiliate marketing, which is completely changed my life. And I want you to start this affiliate marketing, right? So what is affiliate marketing basically? Affiliate marketing means it's a very simple business model. I will tell you what is it. So basically you will be partnering with a company or a person or an organization for their products or services, and you will be acting as an affiliate for those company or product or service, and you'll be promoting to the people who are in need for those products. And once the customer purchase the product or service with your link, you'll be getting paid commission. So that's the whole point of affiliate marketing. The term affiliate means you will be acting as an affiliate for a company or a person or a coaching program or a software. It can be anything. You'll be promoting that product as an affiliate, and once the customer purchases, you will make the commission. It is so simple. I'll give you one very good example so that you'll understand so clearly. You might be using this application called Remitly, right, where we will be using to send money from one country to another country. So here in that Remitly application, you can probably see refer a friend, right? So it is basically an affiliate marketing business also. So that Remitly company has an affiliate program where you have a unique Remitly affiliate link, which is only for you. It is a complete unique link, which is only for you. And you can share that link to any of your friend, family member, or public, any public. And if they sign up with your link, the Remitly application, you'll be getting paid $15 commission. So that is none other than affiliate marketing. So this is very, very simple business model, and you don't need any kind of investment to start this affiliate marketing. This is so cool business model. Only you need to find a product, and you need to find the people who are already need that product, and you need to just promote to them, and they will purchase it, and you'll be getting paid commission. And don't think that who will purchase this product, who will purchase this product. There are so many people who need different kind of products, and it's completely up to you which product you want to promote, and where you want to promote. It completely depends on you. For example, there is a Remitly application, like I said, that Remitly application needs to send money from one country to another country. So there are so many people who want to send their money, but they don't know how to send. So you can just made a YouTube video of Remitly application, how to use Remitly, and you can just put the Remitly application link in the description of your YouTube video, and once a viewer watches the video, and he'll go to sub description and they will sign up, and you'll be getting paid commission. That is so simple business model. So that's the reason I recommend this affiliate marketing for you to start. So if you have any problem regarding starting affiliate marketing, let me know. I will help you. And if you really want to start affiliate marketing, there is the link in the description where you can start your affiliate marketing for completely $9. Just $9. Okay, so link is in the description. Just go ahead and start your affiliate marketing journey. And don't worry, you are not alone. I am with you. Okay, so just start your journey.